Turn the light on so you can see.
Okay.
Phone away.
What are you doing? Get your fuzzy little butt over here. Hey. You get me, huh? I get scared.
Why did you run? Why did you run?
Because I don't trust him around me.
He loves to run.
If we play with him at home,
Ew, there's spit on here.
long time, he'll get really excited. And then he'll start running all over the place.
Oh, yeah?
Hey, you be nice. He likes to chew on people's fingers.
Oh.
Shut it.
He's a phone.
Show the ball. Cassie, yeah, the ball. Sorry, pass to Cassie. Cassie, show the ball. Hold up. Hold up. See, look. Where's the ball? Oh, what's that?
Oh, the phone.
What's that?
Don't let him attack me, please. See, he's gonna attack.
Don't run. Why are you running? If you chase him, he'll run.
Perfect. So, it says JPM. I don't know what that is.
He ran into the glass.
Do it again, do it again. I want to get that on camera. Next.
Sorry, hold it up. Go get the dog, hold it up. Okay, now I'm going to call him from outside, okay? Yeah.
Say hi. Not girl. Ah, he's supposed to run. Throw the ball next time. Here, throw the ball this time.
Oh, he doesn't fall for things twice.
I didn't throw it. Return the ball. Not to me.
You don't want to play it? Oh my god.
Don't give him the lamb. He's gonna kill it.
Don't kill me.
Why are you running?
I'm not running. I'm
Why
fast
are you running?
walking. I'm fast walking.
Why are you running?
I'm running because I want to run. Haha. Dumb dog, why are you following me? Oh, sorry, but what you dumb.
Guys.
What? Oh my god, that's scary.
That used to be mine. Give it to Jaden.
That's nice. That's scary.
What you doing, doggy?
Are you sick? Huh? Are you sick? You sick.
Sick.
What?
Sick. Sick.
Oh, yeah.
My throat's been sore.
Not me, please, not me. Yes.
Running nose. Yeah. And then my throat got like mucus, you know. So earlier I took Tylenol.
Doggy.
Yeah.
Say bye. Bye, doggy.